So if you want to set an assignment for turn-in, just a generic assignment that allow people to turn things in, you just go to your class. In this case, I'm going to a homeroom, and you go to Add Materials, and you go to the first one, which is Add Assignment. You just check off all the relevant boxes. Just give it a name. I'm going to give this a name. Please ignore this. It is just a test. You can put down your directions here. You can add video. You can add audio. You can put anything you want in here to tell people. I don't generally give things due dates. Give it a category of ungraded. And I usually leave them out of marking periods because that prevents them from going in to the grade book. And just leave all this as it is. Now here on the bottom, this is automatically checked, submissions enabled, and that's what you want. You see it's lighted up. If I press it, it makes it gray. I want that on. This is published to students. I want that on. I usually turn off the comments because sometimes kids will or parents will see the comment ability and they'll think that's what they want you to write on. So I usually turn the comments off. That's for kids to be able to comment about the assignment to you and to each other. So then just hit create. Now when the kids go into this, I've got a whole separate video of how kids are supposed to actually do this. But here's your thing right here. Please ignore this. This will show up in their class, and they would press this, and then on the upper right, they're going to see a thing right up here that says submit. You don't see that. You as the teacher see submissions, and then every kid who turns something in you just shows up in this list. You press it, you see whatever they turned in. They turned in a Word document, you see the Word document. They turned in a picture, you see the picture. They turn in their pet lizard, you see a pet lizard. Just kidding, they can't submit their pet lizard. But anyways, you get your submissions here and you can see exactly what they did. You can write on it, you can type on them, you can actually talk. You can turn on a microphone and then give them feedback that way. It's very powerful. And you get the submissions. So that's how you create something for them to use as a turn-in. And then I'll point to the other video, which is what they see and how they actually do the turn-in.